Hey Celeb 20 fans, today we are diving into an exciting story about Hunter Schafer, the superstar from Euphoria, and a wild twist involving her brand new passport. You don't want to miss this. Imagine this: you are a famous actress living your truth, and then bam, a piece of paper tries to rewrite who you are. That's exactly what happened to Hunter Schafer, one of Hollywood's brightest stars. She's known for stealing our hearts as Jules on HBO's Euphoria, but lately she's making headlines for something way bigger than a TV role. Hunter, who's so proudly a transgender, just got her passport renewed after it was stolen. But when it arrived in the mail, there was a massive surprise. It listed her sex as male instead of a female. Cue the gasps. What's going on here? Let's break it down together. Celeb 20 style. And trust us, it's a story that'll keep you hooked. Hunter spilled all the tea in the TikTok video that's got everyone buzzing. She explained that when she filled out the paperwork to replace her stolen passport, she checked the female box, just like she always has. Every ID she's ever owned, passports, driver license, you name it, has said female. So seeing male stamped on this new one, total shock. I was like, wait, what? She's basically told her fans, and we are right there with her, scratching our heads. How does something like this even happen to a celeb like Hunter? Well, buckle up, Celeb 20 Crew, because the answer is a wild ride. Hunter says it's all because of a new rule from President Donald Trump. Yep, the big guy in charge made a move that's shaking things up for a lot of people. On this very first day back in office, 20th Jan 2025, Trump signed something called an executive order. Think of it like a super official instruction that tells the government what to do. That's one got a long name: defending women from gender ideology, extremism, and restoring biological truth to the federal government. Sounds intense, right? But here's what it really means in simple terms. Trump said the government can only recognize two options, male or female, and it's based on what a doctor wrote down when you were born. No wiggle room, no changes, nada. So what does this have to do with Hunter's passport? Everything. The folks who make passports, the Bureau of Consular Affairs, put out a new rule following Trump's order. They said, hey, we are using M for male and F for female now, and it's got to match what you were born as. They even ditched the X option, which used to be there for people who identify as non-binary. That's when someone doesn't feel fully male or female. Hunter, who has been living as a woman and rocking it, suddenly had her passport say something totally different from who she is. That's about the plot twist. Now let's get real for a sec. Slap 20 fam. Hunter's not just sitting quietly about this. She's fired up. In a TikTok, she threw some serious shade at the Trump team. I'm never going to stop being trans, she said loud and proud. A letter on a passport can't change that. Can we get a round of applause for that energy? She's basically telling the world that no piece of paper or big government rule is going to erase her identity. And honestly, that's the kind of vibe we love here at Celeb 20. People being their bold, authentic selves no matter what. But here is where it gets a little tricky. Hunter admitted this M on her passport might make life tougher. Picture this: she's jetting off to some glam overseas premiere because hello, she is a star, and a border patrol agent sees male on her ID. She might have to explain, no, I am trans, and then it isn't the full story. She even said it herself. It doesn't change who I am, but it does make things like a little harder. Like imagine you are trying to catch a flight to Paris for Fashion Week and you are stuck answering awkward questions instead of sipping coffee by the Eiffel Tower. Not cool, right? Hunter's not here for pity, though she made that super clear. I'm not posting this for poor me vibes. She told her fans she knows she's got a pretty cushy gig as a famous actress who is white and has a big problem. Instead, she's shining a spotlight on the trans women out there who might be dealing with the same passport drama or worse. This isn't just about me, she said. It's about all the trans people who don't have a voice like mine. And that's why we are obsessed with her at Celeb 20. She's just not a celeb, she's a fighter. Let's zoom out a bit and talk about this executive order because it's a big deal beyond just Hunter's story. Trump's new rule doesn't stop at passports. It's hitting all kinds of government IDs and even says no federal money can go toward anything that promotes gender ideology. That's Trump's way of saying he doesn't buy into the idea that gender can be a spectrum, something lots of people, especially younger folks like you Slap 20 fans, totally get and support. He's also made other moves like saying trans people can't join the military or play in women's sports if they are trans woman. It's got people talking, arguing, and rallying all over the place. Some cheer it, saying it's keeping things simple. Others, like Hunter, say it's stomping on who they are. What do you think, Slap 20 crew? We are dying to hear your takes. To really get why this matters, let's rewind a little. Hunter's been a trailblazer since day one. Before Euphoria made her a household name, she was out there modeling for huge brands and speaking up for trans rights. She grew up in North Carolina, where she once fought against a law that tried to tell trans people which bathrooms they could use. Talk about guts, she has always been about living her truth, and that's why fans of all ages, from tweens binging Euphoria to grown-ups who stan her vibe, adore her. So when something like this passport switch up happens, it's not just a personal headache, it's a big wow moment for everyone who is being rooting for her journey. Now let's paint a picture to make this hit home. Imagine you are a kid getting your first ID. Maybe it's a school pass or a library card. You are so excited to fill it out and make it you. Then someone swoops in and says, "Nope, you are writing this in the way which I have told you." You'd be mad, right? That's kind of Hunter's feeling, except it's on a way bigger stage with the whole world watching. Or think about your fifth slaps traveling the globe, Harry Styles rocking a sparkly suit, or Zendaya slaying a red carpet. What if their IDs didn't match who they are? It would be a chaos. Hunter's just trying to live her life, but this M is like a speed bump she didn't sign up for. So what's next for our girl? Hunter's tough as nails, so we know she's not letting this slow her down. She's probably already plotting her next big Euphoria moment or dreaming up ways to keep fighting the good fight. And here's a fun thought for you Slap 20 fans. Maybe she'll turn this into art. Like, what if Jules on Euphoria had to deal with a passport mix-up? We would be glued to our screens. Hunters got their creative spark, and we are betting she'll channel this into something Before we wrap up, let's circle back to why this story is blowing up. It's not just about one passport. It's about what it means for tons of people. Kids today, like you awesome Celeb 20 listeners, are growing up in a world where being yourself is everything. Whether you are into skateboarding, painting, or just vibing to your fave playlist, you get that everyone's got their own thing. Hunter standing up for that, and it's why she's hero to so many. Plus, with Trump's rule only a month old as of Feb 21, 2025, this is just the start. Who knows what other surprises are coming? Stick with Slap 20 and we'll keep you in the loop. Thanks for hanging out with us on Slap 20. What do you think of Hunter's passport saga? Should she fight back or just roll with up? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing stories.